What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Maha back again, another video. As you can tell, tonight we're gonna do a quick little POV drive at night here at DJI Action 5 Pro, whatever it's called. Supposed to be a lot better than the GoPro, especially and low light and night drives that I really like to do. So we're gonna hop in the queue and we're gonna do a little drive around town and see how the quality is, and drop a comment down below if y'all like this better than my last GoPro video. So let's get it popping. Yeah, from the look of it right now, it's looking a lot better than the GoPro. I'm not just saying it.
X-band, K-band, K-A-band.
Oh yeah, and we finally got the Mark 7 screen, as y'all can see in the middle here. I'm gonna do a little video rundown and review of this thing, but as you can see, I'm literally controlling the Action 5 through the screen. All you gotta do is download the app, sync it up, and you're good and golden. You can control everything. You can hit record, stop record, actually see and monitor where you're seeing versus looking in a small little screen on the phone. So don't mind that if y'all see that. But this shit's crazy, man. This the screen 100% so far. Have it about 2-3 days already, and I'm loving it. Especially for content creators, if you do YouTube and stuff, highly recommend. And then if you have an Osmo Pocket 3 like I do, rollers gonna be a lot easier. You'll be able to blow it up on the screen here and then control everything, all the all the tracking and everything that you're gonna have to use for the little Osmo Pocket 3 on the app itself. This is the same app that it uses on the Osmo Pocket 3, so there's no lag. Everything is on point. It's crazy. From the screen itself, it's looking clean already. So let me know what y'all think down below, man. Try to get a little couple pulls here and there. Drop the window so y'all can hear. I just washed the car, so I don't want to drop it too low. Cut that AC off for y'all. AC means more power, y'all know that. And it's slow ass 3.7. Oh, and I'm using the built-in mics as well too. I'm not using the DJI mic. I might throw it on later on, but shut up. But I really want to test out and see how it's gonna look. Oh, we got a couple right next to us here. Here, slower. Oh, there's another one. Damn, this boy's out. Alright, guess we gotta hit Mexico. What the hell was that? Oh. Left that bag in the back there. Whoops. Be lucky if you get a day of a clean car after you wash it. I want to do some more ambient light in here so the videos will look a little bit cooler. Might add some stuff in the doors, and I definitely want to do lights in the wheel wells as well. I don't want to race it out too much, but I want to add a little bit more style to the interior. I gotta do these seats soon. I have the replacement covers for my front seats, black with the infinity stitching. So I think I'm gonna bite the bullet, just drop it off at the shop. Let me let the professionals take care of this part. Like the radio, that shit, man. I actually started a whole video. I was gonna try to do a whole install video. I saw some other install videos. I was like, okay, it should be pretty easy. A couple of connectors here and there. Nah, bro. Once we took it apart, me and Armando were like, alright. And then what took the longest is that me and this man kept losing screws. I kept dropping the freaking center console. You take this, you literally have to take everything apart in the middle of it. including the shifter and everything. So to take out the screws, we kept dropping screws in the freaking holes, and then it kept going into the tunnel, and then we couldn't find it. And it kept, you know, vanishing into freaking Narnia, bro. And I'm not even exaggerating with that, though. Out of the whole install, we maybe spent 2 hours just fishing out screws. So y'all do this install, make sure y'all put the screws correctly and hold the screws. Have a magnet, you know, ahead of time. Make sure y'all got a, you know, magnetic bit. So when you do it, you're not gonna be fishing for screws, spending 2-3 hours rather than a whole hour just to install this. You know, give yourself like an hour around there to install it, but you keep having to drop screws there, you're screwed. Pun intended. What's up, bro?
So jealous, so neat. It's beautiful, man. Great car.
Same to you, bro. Another 3.7 fam. Second gear hit. Peaceful driving here at night when no one's on the road. I need to do an actual drive at like 2 a.m. I'll go down one of my favorite back roads here. It goes pretty nicely through the woods. that's gonna be it for this video, man. Let's pull up back to the house here. But again, if y'all made this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications. You get notified every time I post a video, man. And always remember, man, repetition creates precision, y'all. Let's go.